Hey folks, I am clearing out some stuff. So the one thing I found, I forgot not that I forgot I had this, but I worked on this and it's been quite some time. This watch is available. This is a Seiko 7002 7039 Transitional. What these are is this was like the halfway step between the slim case 6309s and the beginning of the SKX 007s when when the the ISO standards changed for what could be considered an actual dive watch. A couple things were added. It was 200 meters resistance and a unidirectional bezel rotating ring. So instead of rotating both ways, it'll only rotate the one. And so Seiko came out with this. They produced both kinds of 7002s for the whole duration, or for the until the end of the duration of the until the SKXs were put in. So it's restored. It is entirely original. It's original case finish. The hands and dial are completely original. Loom is completely original. Even the pip is original. Case is in pretty decent shape. Somebody did wear it. It's from May 1995. And it's really cool. Literally, it's original. I think the biggest thing going on is that the whoever somebody was a little rough with it, and so it has sort of a lot of dinks and bumps on the insert. Some of the deeper scratches you can sort of see in relief, but you kind of have to really look at it. The most important thing is that it's an original Seiko insert. I could put in an aftermarket one, but they don't look right, and the pips are always wrong. Having this nice big flat pip, 6309, 6105 style pip, but with the green loom, that's 7002. So anyway, this watch I do not have for sale on the website. If you are interested in purchasing this watch, please email us at kvw@kleinvintagewatch.com. That's kvw@kleinvintagewatch.com. This is a great grab and go piece. Original crystal, all new seals, everything's been cleaned, the movement's great. They're really, really underrated and fantastic watches. And I actually think the dial design is a little cleaner on these than the subsequent, than anything with like a day date. It looks nice. So again, if you are interested in picking up an increasingly hard to find completely original Seiko 7002 7039 Transitional, there it is. Thank you so much.